Alright, this hotel's so big you need a map. So there's things like the restaurant, the spa and fitness level, the vacation club, merchandise area, and obviously the different areas of the pool, which you can kind of zoom in on to see where the slides are and things like that. You can get a real good lay of the land.
Hey, you want to go do the slides with those boys? Maybe? I don't know, we'll find out. Hey, what's your favorite part of it?
So what are we doing? Is it since you're going to go back and line up for here?
Have a good day, thank you.
No, not the other situation.
I'll help you get on yours. Okay, come here. Oh, you go on here?
see your brother.
So what I go with them to look at the thing.
Going down. First floor. Going up.
Okay, so if you stayed this long to the end of the review slash tour, I'm going to hit you with some quick information and thoughts. This is obviously like a Disney resort, no question, okay? So you've got to be into that sort of thing to really get amongst this sort of environment. 2 nights here, more than that might be a little bit difficult as far as, you know, you're in a Disney resort, it costs a lot of money, you know, extremely expensive sort of experience, but incredible, though, incredible. but extremely, you know, consumerism sort of on steroids, as they say. It's on the other side, obviously, of Hawaii, where there's some things around this area, but not a lot. So that's something to be mindful of. One interesting thing is 70% of this place is apparently timeshare. I don't know if this is an American thing, but I've never had this on a holiday that I've been on, where there's literally sales attendants almost every 20 meters, 30 meters trying to sell you timeshare. Super weird when you're spending, what, 1,500 Australian, like $1,000 US a night in some rooms, and they're selling you stuff like timeshare. I kind of feel, I don't like that personally. Some of the service too, not incredible for given how expensive it is. But other than that, like Disney, like if you like Disney and this is your thing, you'll love it. There's not many characters, so to say, but it's, you know, it's a big resort where there's pools and all of that. Very, 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 very expensive in my opinion. And to be honest, like having timeshare salespeople throughout the whole hotel, do not love that personally. Anyway, pretty incredible experience, as you can see from the video. Hit me up below if you got any comments to add. So directly across the road you have the golf course, which when I looked was about 200 to play. Could be cheaper, could be more expensive, so don't quote me on that. But and the clubhouse, not too sure about how far away it is, but pretty cool.